Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can build a free landing page or website using Lovable AI. Let me go here and type Lovable AI, and then here you can see this one is the website lovable.dev. You can go here, and this is amazing AI tool that lets you build amazing websites as well as landing pages. You can also create applications, and to check the pricing you can go here. You will get some credits in free version, and after that you can check the platform, then you can upgrade your package. And here you can see in the premium packages you can add your custom domains, then you will get 100 credits per month. So now how you can use? First of all, we need to create this account. Go here, sign up button, and you can easily sign up with email account. Go here and let me select email, and if you have your GitHub ID then you can easily sign up with GitHub. Now you can select here category, and also you can skip here. So now let's start building landing page. Build a landing page for enable website design that offers affordable WordPress website development services. Then press enter. So now it will generate all of the codes including HTML and CSS, and it will design complete layout from top to bottom. Also it will add CTA buttons. CTA mean call to action buttons, as well as pricing and packages. You can also add more instructions, and it will generate according to your instructions and requirements. So currently it is generating these sections. On the top there will be a hero section. So guys, now here you can see a landing page is generated. Just you can click on publish button. So guys, here you can see now we have published landing page and it's available. So if we scroll down, here you can see these are the packages, then recent projects, then again scroll down, client reviews. So after that, professional contact form, and here you can see amazing footer. So in this way you can easily build your websites as well as landing pages within couple of seconds. And now if you want to change anything, for example, if you want to change this text, get started today, how you can easily do that? Please change button text from get started today to the get a quote. And one of the most important thing about this platform is it can display real-time preview. So after completing its code, you will see here updates. Here you can see button text is updated. So that's amazing feature for this platform. So now you can easily build websites as well as landing pages without having any coding skill. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube